Hey guys, Jared from eaglelights.com, and today we're installing an LED headlight and passing light kit on this 2003 Heritage Softail Classic. It is a similar installation for all Harley models. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the outer beauty ring. To do so, grab your Phillips screwdriver, find the screw right underneath, take it out, pop off that ring here. The next step is you're going to want to remove these 3 screws. Before removing the last screw, it's important to put some pressure up against the headlight and the ring so it doesn't fall on the front fender. Take the old headlight out, unplug it, and now you're ready to install the new LED headlight. All right, so now we got our Generation 1 LED headlight. Installation's very easy. First, we're going to want to plug it in. Then we're just going to take our headlight. There are keyways on the back of the headlight that we're going to want to line up with this internal ring. Our DOT stamp is going to want to be on the top. This retaining ring here goes on top. Going to want to line everything up. Right in our screw. Take our beauty ring. Screw the beauty ring back into place. Remove our protective covering. And now we're going to want to give her a test. That's our low beam and our high beam. All right, now we're going to swap out the passing lights. To swap out the passing lights, you're going to want to take off the outer beauty ring, similar to the headlight. At the bottom of the beauty ring, there's a Phillips head screw. You just have to unscrew it, remove the screw and the retaining nut. Take the outer ring off, disconnect the stock passing light. Now that you've removed the stock passing light, we're going to take the new passing light, our inner trim ring, and place it over the light. Take the new passing light and plug it into the bike's harness. Ensure the red wire on the passing light aligns with the gray and black wire on the bike. Coil up the harness and insert the light into the housing. Grab your outer beauty ring and place it over the passing light. Reversing the steps we used to take the stock light off, tighten the bottom bolt of the beauty ring. And repeat the same steps on the other side. And that's it. Took us about 10 minutes. We got a headlight and passing lights now installed on this Softail. Let's test them out and see what they look like.